Join the fun with the Pioneer Library System. Learn to create original Scrabble art, a great project for tweens and teens. You'll need old Scrabble tiles. If those aren't handy, just cut out squares of colored paper and use a black marker to create your own letter tiles. You'll also need white glue and a glue gun. You'll need a piece of cardboard or an artist canvas to paint. Let's start. Paint your canvas or cardboard. I've painted a canvas board blue. Now let's start our family tree Scrabble art piece. Make a list of the names you'll be using. Here, Smith is the last name, and we'll add Scrabble pieces to it. You'll see I've listed the first names Frank, Mary, Kent, and Kathy. Before you start gluing the letters in place, build your Scrabble puzzle art on a piece of paper. Let's start. I'll glue Smith in place. Add Mary, Frank, Kent, and Kathy. Now you've created a family tree Scrabble art piece. Next, let's make a first name art piece. I'll use the name Richard and paint the canvas orange. Let's make a list of what Richard likes. Guitars, the color orange, like the canvas, sports, the Sooners, trucks, skateboards, and dogs. Let's spell out Richard, add trucks, orange, guitar, skateboards, dogs, the Sooners, and sports. Now look, you've created an original first name Scrabble art piece. You can find more great Pioneer Library System virtual programs at pioneerlibrarysystem.org.